Hey everyone, welcome back to TECHATOP. Today we're diving into an exciting new audio system that's making waves in the high-fidelity music world. If you're looking for a premium, all-in-one wireless music system, then you'll want to stick around because we're checking out the Cambridge Audio Evo One. Let's get started. The Cambridge Audio Evo One is a premium wireless music system that combines cutting-edge technology with an elegant modern design. This all-in-one system supports various streaming methods, including Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2, and Google Cast. But that's not all. You can also connect your TV, turntable, CD player, and even a USB drive filled with music. Basically, this is an audio powerhouse built for versatility. At first glance, the Evo One's sleek and minimalist design might make you wonder how powerful it really is. But trust me, under the hood, this system packs a serious punch. It has 14 built-in speakers, each powered by its own amplifier. That means you get precise control and highly detailed, immersive sound. It features 4 tweeters, 4 mid-range drivers, and 6 woofers, firing sound in multiple directions to fill your room with crisp, balanced audio. Whether you're listening to classical music or heavy rock, the Evo One delivers a premium listening experience. Setting up the Evo One was incredibly simple. I used the Stream Magic app, connected my Samsung SSD, logged into Qobuz, and in just minutes, I had my entire music library at my fingertips. The interface is super smooth, and the system responds instantly. Now, this isn't a tiny speaker. It's over 2 feet wide and about a foot deep. But here's the thing. It's so well designed that it can fit beautifully in any space. If you live in an apartment or a smaller home, you can set it up under a wall-mounted TV, or even use it as a luxury tabletop radio. One of the best things about the Evo One is that it adapts to your room's acoustics. Using the Stream Magic app, you can fine-tune the sound with speaker placement correction and room correction adjustments. When I first placed it in my built-in cabinet, the sound was a little boomy, but after tweaking the settings, I got it perfectly dialed in. It even has a 7-band EQ for fine-tuning your audio experience. I've been testing the Evo One with all kinds of music, and it's been absolutely amazing. The soundstage is wide and detailed, making every song feel alive. From Black Sabbath's heavy riffs to Julie London's smooth vocals, everything sounded crystal clear. Even at high volumes, there was zero distortion. What's also great about the Evo One is how many ways you can control it. You've got front panel buttons, a remote control, and the Stream Magic app. Plus, it supports Spotify Connect, TIDAL Connect, Qobuz, and more. And if you're into multi-room audio, it's got AirPlay 2, Google Cast, and Roon support, so you can sync it with other speakers in your house. Let's talk about design. This thing is gorgeous. Designed by Ged Martin, the Evo One is crafted from premium materials like aluminum and FSC-certified walnut wood. It's sleek, modern, and incredibly well built. And check this out. It has a 6.8-inch full-color display that shows album art, track details, and even classic VU meters. So what do actual users think? Let's check out some real feedback. One user said, "I had a slight speaker vibration issue, so I had to return it. But besides that, the sound was incredible." Another said, "I picked up the Evo One last month, and wow, it's been a game changer. The sound is balanced and clear, and the design is just beautiful. Definitely worth the investment." So, is the Cambridge Audio Evo One worth it? Absolutely. This is one of the best all-in-one music systems on the market. With its 14 built-in speakers, versatile connectivity, premium build quality, and stunning audio performance, it's a fantastic investment for serious music lovers. If you're looking for a luxury sound with modern features, the Evo One is a must-have. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.